Hey guys, I wanted to make a video to show you what you need to do once you receive that notification that your 5G service is live. This video is going to apply to those that have outdoor units currently. And so this is a PoE for one of the 4G LTE units. This one is billion. This would be for the Ridgewave and would be the majority of our current outdoor unit customers. There are going to be some that you'll find are going to be a tannish or brown color, and those would also be for outdoor units, just a different manufacturer. Those would be the green packet ones. This one on the right goes to the outdoor unit, and then this one right here goes to your router. And this is the new 5G PoE for an outdoor unit. Same thing, the right side goes to the outdoor unit, and then the left side goes to the router. So in this scenario, what we're doing is we're moving from 4G to the new 5G and with a new router as well. So really, this one is going to be super simple. We have the router plugged in here, and we have the PoE plugged in here as well. So really, all we need to do is plug it in to electrical power, and everything will start booting up. It will take a few minutes for it to get up, but it will get there. If you already have it plugged into power and you don't have a connection, you might try just unplugging it from power for 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. And then make sure that you have a green power light here, and make sure that this one goes to outside, and then this one right here goes to this white box here. And make sure that when you're looking at the back, it goes into the one that has the globe towards the right hand side. The 1 and the 2 on the back of the router, those are outputs, so those are going to go to your devices. The world one, that is for input from the PoE. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'll have another video for a different scenario when you're keeping your own router in the mix coming up shortly.